And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can use the charCodeAt method. And this is used to display the character code in this UDF system. Let us declare a variable called example hello world. We print it out. Our code runs, and now what I simply do is I'll attach our charCodeAt method, so example.charCodeAt, C and A are uppercase, and then the regular parentheses of this method are at the index position. For example, 0 would be an H, and this gives us 72. We can check the charcodes here. You can see H has the key code 72. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.